Hello and welcome to My Urban Garden. I'm Vanessa. Today I'm really excited to share a simple project that you can do at home that is going to make possibly your ugly fence line look really cute. This is a list of things that you're going to need for this project. You're going to need your clay pots, however many you want, and some paint and the polyurethane oil spray, which will help seal the pots, some potting mix, your flowers, obviously a can to water, and a drill with your little attachments for the wall, for the fence, and also a spirit level. I got the inspiration from the Chelsea Flower Show and also something that I saw on Women's Art and Craft, so you can go and have a look at their channel too. It's a bit different, not gardening, but cute ideas. So today I actually upcycled quite a few things, and this whole project only cost me about $40, which is awesome because it covers a lot of space. I bought these clay pots for $1.90 each, and I painted them. I chose to paint them with chalk paint because I like the soft finish that it has. And then I finished it with polyurethane spray to seal it, because as many of you probably know, clay pots are porous and that would peel the paint off. So seal it inside and out after you've painted it, and then we're going to put our plants in it. I actually chose the African marigolds because I love the variegated flower and the bright orange and yellow, and the petunias, which have such a lovely big flower and they're so fun, and it's a big pop of colour against a pretty bland looking fence line. So I'm going to pot up one of these so you can see. It's important to put a little bit of drainage. So I used foam, but I guess you could use pebbles or something else to stick in there, a bit of broken clay to stop the roots from sitting in water. You don't want the soil to be falling out, but you do need some sort of help with the drainage there so the plant doesn't rot. And I'm just using just a standard potting mix you can get from any big box store. It's a little bit in the bottom, and putting tease the roots a bit so that it encourages some growth. It helps the plant settle into the pot. There we go. I'm going to fill up the sides, make sure there's no air gaps. And I chose these tiny little sort of starter trays because they're really economical. A whole tray of 9 plants was only, no, 12 plants, sorry, basic math here, was only $12. This is a really kind of cheapish way. You could go cheaper, you could do seeds, but I'm not doing seeds today. These plants will fill out once they've been in the pot for maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So we're going to have lovely, lush marigolds and petunias. So here we go. This is an example of one of the 9 pots that I did. So we're going to have a look now at the fence line where we're going to hang them. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly show you how we put one of these into the fence line. Let's see. Pretty easy. There we go. And get to the fun part when we get to start hanging the pots. Just quickly I'll mention these 2 frames, I just upcycled those. I repainted this one. It was a really daggy sort of brown 70s colour. And my husband made this super easily with some baseboard. He's a legend. So all of this basically didn't cost us anything. So now I'm going to grab the pots, and this is the fun bit. We're going to start hanging them up.
Here you go.
That's it. Relatively easy and a cheap project that has made a big difference to this particular space. I would love to see your comments below. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to, you can put your links down the bottom too to show me the cool projects that you've been doing. Bye, I'll see you next time.